someone would say like, hey, yeah, but like, okay, what is the root of what you are trying to accomplish?
Hey, man, I've been looking to get into real estate, man. I'm not 100% sure if it's right for me.
I mean,
so what do you what do you need from me? Right, it sounds like you got to do some self-discovery.
Right, right there, I'm like, hey, bro, if you feel like it's not sure for you, you need to have an honest conversation with yourself. And I'd be like, why do you think it's not for you? And then if they tell me some bullshit, I'm like, bro, go fucking. I tell everybody, commit to this shit for a year.
Yeah.
Commit to getting your face kicked in for a year. If you can't do that, then you ain't it.
Sheesh.
I mean, if you go into that with that type of perspective, when you approach this, then you're not going to feel burnt out.
Yeah.
And if you actually commit to doing these actions for a year, are you going to make more money? Yes. Even if you don't make any more money, did you extremely increase like your level of discipline and business acumen and communication skills?
For sure.
Yes. So apply that. If you're new, commit to it for a year. If you can't make it happen within a year, then maybe it's not for you. But if you think it's not for you, then it's probably not for you.
It's probably not.
Because then you have a loser's mentality. So who do you feel like you can reach up to?
Everybody. Except for Mondo, Brad. Yeah.
It's weird. So I've first experienced this with like Josh Snow. So I could ask him like a couple questions.
Well, hold on. Let me like clarify like who I can't reach out to. Like I know I can.
But
like
no,
that line of communication is
you
there.
Don't even have the.
Yeah, I don't feel like what I have. Like I don't feel like I know at the point in time what I would need to ask them.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? That I would actually be able to go out and implement, or that I should be implementing, because I'm still trying to master something else.
Yeah.
So anything that I reach out to them will really just be for I just want to know, not implement. Because I know I shouldn't be implementing anything other than what I'm trying to master at this point in time.
Yeah, I just want to know. I guess there are some I just want to know questions. But then that's why I started a podcast.
What's up?
I started a podcast for all those I just want to know questions.
Yeah.
Like if you guys really want to get access to people, start a podcast.
That's true. I mean, I got a podcast. I just ain't got no content for it.
I mean, get on there, talk shit, and then reach out to people on IG. I reach out to people on IG. Do you want to come on?
I'm gonna get better at it. I just kick it around. I don't want to be inconsistent. I want to make sure that I'm consistent with what I'm doing. I don't want to send mixed messages. I want to be very intentional with what I'm doing. And so yeah, I'm just trying to figure those little things out.
Yeah, okay. Respect people's time. I had another thing I wanted to talk about. Oh, this Russia shit's crazy.
What?
You don't know what's going on in Russia?
No.
Like Russia and Ukraine?
Oh, shit. Yeah. Okay. Bro, I don't be all up in the news like that. I got my own problems.
I was like, bro, like you're like under a rock.
No, I don't live under a rock. Like I feel severely bad for everything that's going on, everybody affected.
I mean, I wasn't even taking it that far.
But I'm just saying,
I was saying
because I said I got my own shit to worry about. Like, so I'm not trying to say that my problems is bigger than like what's going on in their countries, because it's not. I like completely sympathize with that.
You're canceled.
Huh? No, bro. I'm just saying, like, I can't be.
You don't like, bro. You're a warmonger.
I'm not.
You're a warmonger.
I'm not, bro. That's why I don't watch the news though. Because there's nothing but negativity on the news. Like, you know, maybe it'll get my attention if fucking asteroid or not asteroid, a fucking what do you call it? A little missile come wheezing by the fucking hub and fucking blows up one of our parking lots. And it's like, oh shit, what's going on? Like, you know what I mean? Like that'll wake me up. But like honestly, like I am kind of out of sight, out of mind, bro. Like if it ain't. Like it sounds so bad to say it, but like that's just
all of my podcasts I've been talking about it lately. Like to where like I listen to a lot of business podcasts, and then it somewhat trickles over, like the politics of it all trickles over because I think like majority of like Fortune 500 companies pulled out of Russia.
Yeah,
and so like they're talking about that, then they're talking about like all the sanctions, then they're talking about gas. Gas is like $9.
Yeah, some shit like that.
And like something crazy.
People keep saying gas prices is high.
I mean, I truly do think it is going to become. Yeah, I was talking to my dad this morning. Actually, I was like, "Yeah, what's gas?"
Yeah,
and I was like, $6.15 is what it is at that fucking Arco down the street.
Yeah, damn, Arco gas $6.
Arco,
that's kind of wild. That's kind of wild. Yeah, Arco gas. I guess I should have known. Maybe Costco's must be a little bit cheaper because I tried to go get some gas the other day. I just religiously go to Costco now, and so when I go to Costco. Yesterday I was trying to go and the line was like fucking crazy. And so all I remember, I just, correlation. I'm like on social media, all I see is gas prices is high. I go to Costco and I see long ass lines. I'm like, Costco must have got that good price right now. Yeah, you know, I don't know.
For 5 cents. It's for fucking 5 cents. That's the shit that drives me crazy.
Yeah,
you're gonna go wait in a line for 2 hours.
You're gonna go spend that money in gas to go drive to a cheaper gas station.
Yeah,
that's really what the correlation is. Oh, it's 5 cents cheaper over here. Well, fuck, like, what is it costing you to go drive over there to go get it?
And bro, you lose 2 hours every day waiting in that. Bro, those Costco lines are wild.
Bro, I'll run out of gas before I wait in that line. You should have seen me, bro. My truck was at 100 miles, and 100 miles, like in my wife's Durango, 100 miles is cool. Like, I'm like, oh boy, that's like quarter tank. 100 miles in my truck, bro. I'm under a quarter. So like 100, like, it's an alert that you need to go get some gas. And so I was like, okay, I need to get some gas. By the time I actually got to Costco, I was at like 80 miles, and I'm looking at it. I'm like, I wish the fuck I would, because the next stop was home. So I was like, I wish the fuck I would wait in this line with some gas, bro. I drove my ass home. Was like, bro, I'll try again tomorrow. I went this morning while everybody was at work, bro. I was good. That's the benefit of like fucking just not working like that. I can just go when everybody else at work. I legitimately plan shit for when people are at work.
Right. I mean, in the middle of the day, bro, nobody's doing shit.
Like, when you want to go to Costco? Let's go at 9:30.
Right.
I'm trying to go with all the old folks.
9:30 on Tuesday.
Hey, Bill.
9:30 on a Tuesday.
On a Tuesday, bro.
And you get all of it.
Yeah.
Bro, anything during the week, like if you are going and doing something, it's so much better.
Oh, 100%. Like, I have no problem going out with the kids, bro. We be out there all jolly. We got space. We be walking, got room and shit. You go at fucking 5 o'clock. Oh, excuse me. Niggas mad because they done came from work and shit. The boss was like being assholes to them. So everybody rude. You go in the morning, bro. You get all the retired folks. All the nice ones. Hey, Sally. Hey, right. Bill.
That's their first. They come there every day.
You know what I mean? Like,
just for the samples.
You know what I'm saying? I get invited to come to someone's house to pick oranges, bro. Hey, however many oranges you want, come get them.